one of the world's largest mining excavators, X8000, manufactured by Hitachi. The X8000 series of excavators are designed for the large-scale extraction of soil, rock, minerals, and other resources. Operating weight, about 800 tons, and using a diesel engine with a maximum capacity of about 3,000 to 4,000 horsepower. Van Oord's Goliath excavator is a device for mining and dredging sand, gravel, and rock materials in seas, lakes, and rivers. Commonly used for port dredging and providing services to the offshore industry worldwide. Goliath are equipped with a bucket that can hold between 20 and 40 cubic meters of material, and dredging depth of up to 26 meters. Liebherr 9400 and Cat 785C are working on West Africa's largest mine. Referring to excavators, it is impossible to mention the Hitachi X3600-6 excavator in Australia, among the top largest excavators in the world. Centric Ripper XR40 Plus Komatsu PC350LC is quarrying in Paraguay. Both of these equipments are widely used in training, dredging, and mining works. Excavators are widely used in infrastructure construction such as road construction, bridges, irrigation works, and other civil works. They help speed up construction, reducing the time and effort required to complete construction projects. Hitachi X5500 is the world's largest machine, weighing 540 tons, using two diesel engines with a capacity of 1,118 kilowatts. The PC700 series of excavators are commonly used in large-scale mining, infrastructure construction applications worldwide. PC700 excavator has advanced features and high performance of the machine to help improve work productivity and save time for investors. Bacactor 110 largest and most advanced marine dipper dredger excavator in the world. The Bacactor 1100 has a high and extended dumping reach. Unloading in even high barges is always possible. The van-oared backhoe Goliath dredge is a specialized vessel used for dredging operations, especially in ports, harbors, and waterways. Excavator arms allow for precise dredging of material from the seabed and are commonly used in areas with limited access. The Komatsu PC 1250-7 excavator is designed to work efficiently in harsh environments with high productivity requirements. By Komatsu PC 1250-7 using diesel engine with maximum capacity usually from 630 to 698 horsepower. Here is a big excavator with an impressive arm that goes down to the depths of the sea in Monaco. It then transfers the excavated material onto barges or other vessels for processing or transportation.